What's up, YouTube? Murphy Firearms Training here, unboxing video. I have this GForce Arms Bullpup. Gonna open this guy up and talk about it just a little bit. So here it is, haven't touched it. Interesting thing, I've never seen a gun come like this. They usually come wrapped in plastic or paper. This one is actually in a sealed bag. The bag is totally sealed. I mean, it's actually got a seam here on both ends. It is sealed. So I'm going to open this up and show you what's in the box. So we got choke tubes. If you're considering a gun like this, we've got the little plastic box. It comes with 2 choke tubes and a choke wrench. And these tubes are cylinder and full. Okay, cylinder and full. That's interesting. It's kind of got a burr on the inside of it. Anyway, cylinder and full. And my understanding is there's a modified comes in the gun. You get these tools. I don't know what those are for yet. We'll do a takedown video of this at some point. But we get these tools. Owner's manual. Spare mag. And the mag that's in the gun. Okay, so there's a mag in the gun. So I'm going to go ahead and get this box out of the way and show you a little bit about this gun. Okay, so I'll be right back. So here we are, GForce 1 GFY-1 Bullpup. Show you what I see here. So your mag release is here. Okay, so you can take your mag out. Go ahead and show you that this gun is unloaded. Okay, so it is unloaded. I mean, I just literally took it out of the box. Clear chamber. There's a little dirt in there. It looks like it was test fired. I don't know if you can see that on my finger, but a little dirty down in there. It's got this little rubber deal that's on the bolt hold open. I don't know. I guess you could take that off if you don't like it. I don't know. We'll see if I like it or not. But anyway, mag release is here. Ambidextrous safety. So safety's here. And if you flip it over, it's also here. Okay, does have a reversible bolt lever. Okay, I am going to reverse this bolt. That'll be one of the first things I do, is I actually want this on the left hand side, I think. So I'm going to reverse that. But here we are. Does have flip up sights. I'm going to guess you press down, and you press down to activate these. So does come with the flip up sights. I will try it with those and see if I like it before I put a red dot on it. But flip up sights, ambi safety. It does have a QD sling hole here at the back on both sides. I don't know what this is. I'm going to have to do a little reading. I haven't even read the manual yet, guys. I literally just pulled this out of the box. But that looks like the back side of these rivets that hold it together poking out. So that may be no good. It's also got a sling catch here. Okay, so lots of ways to mount a sling to this gun. That's kind of cool. Here's your bolt hold open. Okay, and your bolt release is here. No, that's your mag release. Excuse me. So we got a mag release on both sides. So if you're running this gun, get the mag in, you could actually drop the mag from both sides. So that's kind of cool. So mag release over here and mag release over there. So either way, that's kind of cool. That's your bolt hold open, typical AR style bolt hold open. See if I can activate it like I do in ARs. Yep. So just push in at the bottom, get the bolt to hold open. So now your bolt's open. You press that, bolt slams forward. So that works. That's about it. It's got a little heft to it. It feels solid. I will say a lot of these seem like chintzy plastic. This entire upper here is aluminum. So all of this is aluminum. This is like a free float handguard like you would get on an AR. It feels really good. Rubber butt pad here on the end. The bottom end is plastic. So it looks like the lower, the grip, the trigger guard, all of this area here, the lower, if you think in terms of ARs, is polymer. So comes with 2 5-round mags. Pretty neat little gun. The other thing I wanted to do is just measure the overall length. So I'm going to go from the butt to the barrel. And I'm getting 28 1/4. Okay, it's 28 1/4 overall length. So I wanted something short. I wanted something like a Kel-Tec KSG in semi-automatic. And that's kind of why I went with this. I haven't even pulled the trigger. I'm sure it's heavy. Oh, it's not bad, actually. It's better than I expected it to be. Wonder if my trigger pull gauge. It is very creepy. So there's a lot of travel to disengage the sear. It's got a lot of creep. If you know what creep is when you pull the trigger and the trigger moves without disengaging the sear. Yes, I'm getting a lot of travel before that sear pops, but I'm going to go get my trigger pull gauge and see if I can get a trigger pull reading on this. All right, so here we go. Lyman trigger pull gauge. Going to give this a try, see if we can get a reading. What did we get? Nothing. Let's see if we can get it to read. Come on. Having trouble with my gauge here. Huh, it's not reading ready. Give me a second. I think I got a battery issue. All right, here we go. Got it sorted out. Don't know why it was being like it was today, but it was being a pain. So we're going to give a few trigger pull reads and see what we can come up with here. It helps if you reset the trigger, doesn't it? All right, here we go. Give it a pull. Okay, 8 pounds, 13.8 ounces. So right under 9 pounds. Let's try another one. Come on. Hadn't used this thing in a while. It's not wanting to reset. I don't know why. Let's try one more. See if I can get it to beep. Come on. All right, here goes. One more. 9 pounds, 1.6 ounces. Okay, so I'm going to say we're running right around 9 pounds for this trigger. In bullpup triggers, that's actually really not bad at all. That's actually really good. So 9-pound trigger, pretty neat little gun. I will be doing a takedown video of this gun, taking it apart, seeing how it goes together, all of that. I will also be doing a shooting video later this year. I'm really excited to get this out to the range and give it some shooting time. So I will video those and post them and let you know how it goes. And that's pretty neat little gun. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. GForce Arms GFY-1. That's kind of how it comes, what it comes with. How it works. I'll show you how to reverse this in another video and all that fun stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. Like and subscribe.